A gesture is best done quickly and loosely. It's not about detail. It's about establishing the most basic physical and visual relationships. A gesture drawing is done in a sketchy, scribbly way so that the artist doesn't feel committed to it, and with frequent checking back to the source material, this is how the drawing will improve over time. Notice how I rarely lift the pencil from the page. You want the drawing to flow, and you want to move through the drawing with very little editing. The corrections and improvements come later. Just getting the basics down is really what the gesture is for.